Okay, this is Mike Sterry with Innovative Garage Door, and we got two 2296 C.H.I. combo panel with combination insulated glass. These doors look smoking good right here on this home. These are two 9x8s. You can just see the definition. It looks recessed panel, just like an olden wooden door. Okay, I'm going to come up here and just show you. It's got the glass. We put the nice brown trim on to match the outside trim there. And then up top there we put in top seal because it would cover the top. But you can see these doors here, the recessed panel with the glass. They look absolutely gorgeous here in this house. We'll step back a little bit. These doors are 2 inches thick. They are urethane insulated, so they carry a high R value. We upgrade the wheels to premium nylon 13-ball wheels. These doors are special order, so you gotta take about 2 weeks to get them, but they're worth the wait. Just look at how beautiful they are. Has the recessed panel. C.H.I. 2296, just absolutely beautiful. For all your needs for C.H.I. doors, call Innovative Garage Door at 630-673-0007. We're at 650 Ogden Avenue in Downers Grove. Thanks for watching our C.H.I. 2296 video.